Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is KK Necessary and I do hope you subscribe to my channel. So today we'll be doing this look that I have on my face, obviously. And this look is a part of my Valentine's Day series that I'm having on my channel. This is the second look. First look link will be down, that is so hard to say, first look link will be down in my description box. So as I said before, this is the look that we're doing today and I hope you enjoy it. It's a little different from my first one because my mommy stated that I should show you guys the product that I'm using, even though in the first one I did list the product down in the description box. However, I don't think I told you guys that the products were listed in the description box. So for the first look, the products that I use are listed in the description box. However, for this look, I'll be showing you guys all the I think I showed you guys most of the products that I use, and if they are not shown, I'll be stating them down in the description box as well. Thank you for sticking around, and for those who are subscribed to my channel, thank you for subscribing as well. So let's get straight into the video.
Just take me to places I've never known, when no one else seems to be getting through. Only you can tell what's going on. When I hear your name, put a smile up on my face. It don't matter the time or the place. You make it all better now. I could love you forever now. When I hear the sound, when I'm feeling down, ain't nobody else gotta be around for you to make it better now. Let me get myself together now. Let me sing my song. Don't wanna be alone. I know that when I listen, find what I've been missing right here in my heart. Let me sing my song. I know this is my heart. All that I've been wishing, you've taught me. I thank you every day for all the things you wanted me to be. Is everything I prayed for. When the weight of the world is on my shoulders, you would take away the pain. Take away the pain. Through the storm, the sun still shines. With you by my side, I'm not afraid. When I hear your name, put a smile up on my face. It don't matter the time or the place. You make it all better now. I could love you forever now. When I hear the sound, when I'm feeling down,